Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create tasks manually in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's features and tools. After you've logged in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on CRM to expand the customer relationship management options. This is where all your contacts, deals, and tasks are managed. Once that menu opens, click on Tasks. This will take you directly to your task management area where you can view, organize, and create new tasks for yourself or your team. Now that you're in the Tasks section, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Create Task. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a new window where you can configure all the details for your task, making it easy to stay organized and on top of your workflow. The first thing you'll need to do is input a task title. This should be a clear, concise description of what needs to be done, like follow up with client or prepare monthly report. A good title helps you quickly identify the task later when you're reviewing your to-do list. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Task Type. Click on this drop-down and choose the type of task you're creating. HubSpot offers several options like call, email, or to-do, so select the one that best matches the nature of your task. This categorization helps you filter and sort your tasks more effectively. After that, select a priority level for your task. This is important because it helps you understand which tasks need immediate attention and which ones can wait. You can typically choose from options like high, medium, or low priority, depending on how urgent the task is. Now, if you want to link this task to a specific contact, company, deal, or ticket in your CRM, click the dropdown on Associate with Records and choose the relevant record. This keeps everything connected and makes it easier to track your interactions and follow-ups with specific clients or projects. Then click the drop-down on Assign to and choose who should be responsible for completing this task. You can assign it to yourself or to another team member, which is especially useful for delegating work and keeping everyone accountable. If your workflow uses queues to organize tasks, you can add a queue at this point if needed. This is optional, but it can help you group similar tasks together for better organization and efficiency. Next, input a due date and time for when the task needs to be completed. This ensures you don't miss important deadlines. If this is a recurring task that needs to happen regularly, you can check the checkbox labeled Set to Repeat. This will allow you to set up a schedule so the task automatically recreates itself at your chosen intervals. If you have any additional information or context that would be helpful, you can add notes in the Notes section. This is a great place to include details, reminders, or links that will help whoever is completing the task. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Create. HubSpot will save your task and add it to your task list, making it visible in your CRM for easy tracking and management. And that's it. You've successfully created a task manually in HubSpot, helping you stay organized and on top of your work. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.